Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy crypto with fiat currencies by using a debit or credit card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, simply launch your MEXC app. And here, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I would recommend you to create one because currently you can earn up to 8,000 USDT as a sign-up bonus. Now once you are on this page, in order to buy USDT, you need to simply tap on the Wallet tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And now you need to tap on Deposit. Now among the given options, simply select the option of Buy Crypto, and then you will be landed on this Quick Buy page. Now over here, you need to select that particular fiat currency which you want to use in order to purchase USDT or any other favorite cryptos. Most probably you want to buy USDT, so you need to simply select that. So if you want to change your fiat currency, simply tap on this drop-down menu, and from this list, you can select it. So let's say I want to use USD in order to buy USDT, so you need to simply select that. And here in the payment method, you will see the debit and credit card option. If you tap on it, you can also see some of the other third-party websites like MoonPay, but for that, you will have to simply select that. And that's a long method. So you need to select Debit Credit Card and tap on the Buy USD option. Now once you do this, it will show you to verify your identity, so make sure that you verified that. Then you need to provide your payment details and conclude your payment, and you will get your amount in your MEXC account. So that's basically how you can buy crypto with fiat currencies by using a debit or credit card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.